I'll show you 3 easy ways to fund your Termii wallet. From your dashboard, click Fund Wallet. Method 1, Virtual Account, Instant Funding. Enter your BVN and date of birth exactly as they appear with your bank. Tap Create Account to generate your personal virtual account. From your bank app, transfer to that number. Your Termii wallet updates instantly. Method 2, Paystack, also instant. Choose Top Up. Select Paystack, enter an amount of $3,000 or more. Then click Top Up Wallet and you can select a payment method: card, transfer, USSD, OPay, or bank. Complete the payment, your wallet reflects it right away. Method 3, Company Account, Manual Confirmation. Send your desired amount to the displayed Zenith bank account. Then share your payment receipt via website chat, WhatsApp, or support@termii.com. Once verified, we credit your wallet. Minimum top-up is $3,000. A 7.5% VAT applies. That's it. Click Fund Wallet, choose your method, and you're ready to send. Sign up at termii.com to get started.